Okay. So today we will discuss about measurement of power in three-phase system. Can anyone tell what are the different methods to measure the power in three-phase system? Either star connection or delta connection. Yeah, you know very well about this topic. Can anyone tell? Hello? There is a 22 participants is there. Okay. Tell me.
Two-watt meter method.
1 watt meter method. Okay. Second one. Two watt meter method. And third one.
3-watt meter method.
3 watt meter method. 3 watt meter method. Okay. So these are the different types of power measurements. Now we will see one by one. First one we will see 1 watt meter method. So what are the types of connections here? First one is the star connection. Second one is the delta connection. Star connection and delta connection. So now I will draw the star and delta diagrams. Impedance in the R phase, impedance in the Y phase, impedance in the B phase. So R, Y, B. So this one is called as the voltage between R and Y, line voltage. What is the name of this point? Common point in delta connection. Sorry, neutral star connection. Neutral point. Okay. M, L, C, V. So this V is connected to the neutral point. Okay. This is about the star connection. Okay. In delta connection, similarly, one phase. So you can connect wattmeter any of the phase, any one of the phase, either R phase, B phase, or Y phase. Double. So here R phase, Y phase and B phase. Okay, R by B. So here IA, IY, IB. So these boxes are impedances. Impedance per phase, Z phase, and the Z phase. Okay. Now, okay, here how many wattmeters are connected in star or delta? Only one wattmeter is connected in the diagram. So to measure the power in three phase, total power, the total power equal to 3 into wattmeter reading. 3 into wattmeter reading. Okay. So this is about the 1 wattmeter method. Note down. You can note. So no need to note down. Can anyone tell what is the main disadvantage of this 1 wattmeter method? As per your knowledge, what is the main disadvantages of 1 wattmeter method? Can anyone tell? The main disadvantages of this method is it is suitable for balanced loads only. It is suitable for balanced load only because we are measuring the power in only one phase. Okay, only power in the one phase. After that, we will measure the total power total power equal to 3 times of the wattmeter readings. It will give the total power consumed by the either star connection or delta connection. Okay, but here the main disadvantage of this method is, okay, this method is only suitable for the balanced system, balanced load conditions only. Okay, so that is the main disadvantages. Okay. Next, so how to overcome these disadvantages? How to overcome these disadvantages? So to overcome these disadvantages, we will introduce, okay, next 3 wattmeter method. 3 wattmeter. 3 wattmeter method. Okay. So I will draw the diagram. Wait. So this is R phase, Y phase, and B phase. Okay. In each phase, we will inserted one wattmeter. W1, W2, and W3. Okay. These are the impedance of per phase. Z phase R, Z phase Y, Z phase V. Okay. Now what is the total power? Total power in this circuit. What is the total power? The total power equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. Okay. So this 3 wattmeter method is suitable for both balanced and unbalanced condition, unbalanced loads. Suppose if it is a balanced loads, we will go for only 1 wattmeter method. Okay. So we will measure the power in the only one phase and we will multiply it 3 times. Okay. If it is the load is the unbalanced, okay, we will go for 3 wattmeter method. That is W1 plus W2 plus W2. Suppose in this method, if the load is balanced, okay, if the load is balanced, W1 equal to W2 equal to W3 when load is balanced condition. When the load is a balanced condition. Okay. If the load is not balanced condition, the total power W equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. Okay. So this is about the 2 wattmeter method. Sorry, 3 wattmeter method. Okay. What is the third method? What is the third method? Very well known method, 2 wattmeter method. Okay. So 2 wattmeter method. So this is W1 and this one is the W2 MLCV. MLCV. Okay. R phase, Y phase, and B phase. This is the impedance of R, impedance of B, impedance of Y. Okay. So what is the value of W1 here? W1 plus W1 and W2. VL IL cos W1 equal to VL IL cos 30 minus 5. W2 equal to VL IL cos 30 plus 5. Okay. In 2 wattmeter methods, W1 reading is the VLIL cos 30 minus 5, W2 equal to VLIL cos 30 plus 5. So now we will find out the total power, W1 plus W2. Okay. W1 plus W2. The W1 plus W2 is given by, okay, VL, IL is taken as a common, okay, cos 30 minus 5 plus cos 30 plus 5, okay. What is the formula for cos A plus B? Cos A minus B. What is the formula for cos A minus B? What is the formula for cos A minus B?
Cos A, cos B.
Cos A, cos B
Cos B. Plus sin A, sin B.
Plus sin A, sin B.
plus sin A, sin B.
Sin B.
Okay. Plus cos A plus B. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Okay. So plus sin 30, sin 5 minus sin 30 minus sin 5. So both will be cancelled. Okay. So W1 plus W2 is equal to VL IL 2 cos 30 cos 5. Okay. What is the cos 30 value? Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So W1 plus W2 equal to W1 plus W2 equal to root 3 VL IL cos 5. Okay. This is the equation number 1. Next. W1 minus W2. In W1 minus W2 equal to VL IL cos 30 minus 5 minus cos 30 plus 5. VL IL as the common. Okay. So this will be equal to VL IL, okay, of cos A minus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B minus cos A plus B. Cos A cos B, okay, minus of minus kada plus sin A sin B. Okay, these two will get cancelled. Okay, so this will be equal to VL IL of two sin A sin B. Okay, so this will be equal to
Sir, minus on there, sir.
plus sin A sin B, 2 sin 30 sin theta. So VL IL, okay, to sin 30 value 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 sin 5. So this will be equal to VL IL sin 5. This is equation number 2. ఓకే సో నేను వీడియో పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను, వీడియో పోస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు రాసుకోండి. ఓకే సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫైనల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్? W1 plus W2 equal to √3 VL IL cos phi, and W1 minus W2 equal to VL IL sin phi. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. So equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 by equation 1 equal to W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2 equal to, okay, what is equation number 1? Equation 2 VL IL sin phi by √3 VL IL cos phi. Okay, sin by cos. Sin by cos means tan phi. Okay, that tan phi equal to VL IL get cancelled. So √3 into W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2. So this is the final form. What is meant by tan phi? Can anyone tell what is meant by tan phi? Phase angle. Okay. This is about power measurement, 3-phase system. Okay. So what are the different types of methods? What are the different types of methods? First one, 1 wattmeter method. 1 wattmeter. Second one, 2 wattmeter. Okay. Third one, 3 wattmeter method. Three wattmeter method. So these are the 3 types of methods available to measure the power in the 3-phase system.